What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com. What I'm going to do is wait till everybody. I'm going to let everybody know we're online right now. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. So, go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from. Go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from. Why did I open this? Okay. Now this. All right. Close that. Let's get these going. Let's see, UJ. What did UJ do? Let's bring UJ here. EU. All right. All right. Hopefully this thing doesn't go slow. Yeah, so go ahead and put in your name where you're calling from. What's going on, Tony? What's going on, Michael? What's going on, Greg? What's going on, Jose? If you be able to hear me, go ahead click on the like button. Make sure everybody can be able to hear. What's going on, Lee? What's going on, Quinn? I like to call you Quinn. Or Marlon. What's going on, Miguel? All right. So, so I want to know who's actually in the Miami area. Who's in the Miami area? Because this week, what I was planning on doing is actually have Top Golf be our thing that we'll do this month. Every month we'll figure out something to do together. But what I found out is the Berkshire Hathaway event is actually going to be this coming weekend, and I just bought a share where it's like, okay, buy a share, you can be able to go. So I just bought a share, so I'm going to be going to that event this coming up weekend in Nebraska. Should be fun. I was like, man, because at one point in time, I was contemplating should I go or not, and I'm like, man, if this man dies and I don't freaking go, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. So I'm gonna fly my butt out there so I can be able to see. It's just like having the chance to go to Michael Jackson concert, and you're like, man, this man dies, and I don't see this man. I haven't seen Michael Jackson in live action, man. That's not a good look. So I got to see Warren Buffett. All right. So we got Zach. You do? Okay, cool. All right. So yeah, I'll go in there, but definitely next week, not this week, but next week, Saturday. If you guys are in Miami, I welcome you guys to come to Top Golf in Doral. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna make up, a banner and stuff like that. I think the way it's gonna work is it's gonna be 2 hours of golf. There's going to be food included and also drinks included as well. And I think it's gonna be like $40, something like that, for all of that, which is insane for Top Golf. Food, drinks, and 2 hours. I think it's gonna be a good deal. So, with that being the case, if anything, let's get started. Again, put in your name and where you're calling in from. And then also click on the like button so I can be able to make sure that you guys can be able to hear me. And if you have a question, you can actually write it in there right now and I can be able to answer as I'm going through. Yeah, definitely for Top Golf, $40 a person is usually like a game. And just food, but with drinks as well. So if anything, I'm having a lady call me back tomorrow so we can be able to figure it out. I just gotta make sure that I can be able to get into this Berkshire event because I'm really cutting it close. I don't know if it's paused or not. All right. So if anything, let's get started. So what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? My name is Philip Anglade, and welcome to FXProNet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at your house per month. I just switch it up completely. What we do is we come on live on what we call This Week in the Markets every single week. Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see if there's anything available in the charts. And if there is, we'll call it out. If not, I'll say, hey, listen, this is what I'm going to be looking for. And we'll go on from there. So let's get started with EURUSD. Then we're going to go to AUDUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY. And if we have time, then we'll go into gold. Gold really just, like, from my perspective, just like stays still, and it's kind of annoying. So what I would highly suggest you guys do as well is on TradingView.com, you can be able to actually follow me on there. And any one of these breakdowns that I do, I actually save each one individually on TradingView, which is really, really cool. So, man, I got a lot of tabs. You see how many tabs? This is why my computer goes slow. This is exactly why my computer goes slow. And these are just the tabs, not only all the programs that I'm running at the same time. It's insane. What's going on, Jess? All right. You see how it's clicking one over and over. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading the Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD, and it is exactly where last night we said, hey, listen, we're looking for price to slow up at this point, form a bearish engulfing pattern based upon the M30 time frame, and we'll look for the continuation of the downtrend at this point right here. This had a very, very quick moving retrace, which I like. Mostly, why do I like it? Mostly because I'm not waiting for the continuation of the downwards move. All right. We see that it's slowing up, a good amount at that point right there, 50% retracement, which is fine. Let's go down to the M30 time frame, see how this is moving. And at any point in time, you can always go to fxpronet.com. On there, we actually have a webinar you can be able to check out. It's a 1 hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to. All right. So right now, we're looking at this being the last high. I don't know if this is the best time to get in, like right now. I'd rather break a structure, to tell you the truth. Which is something like what this is, this purple stuff over here. But I'd rather price kind of break through this last low right here, then retrace, form a bearish engulfing pattern, and then from there start to push down. If you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, go to fxpronet.com. I'll teach you. This thing is going ultra slow, and I can't wait to get like a desktop, like the actual desktop. All right, so let's go to the H1 time frame. See what's going on over here. All right. All right, all right, all right. Shoot, let's see. All right. I think this is good. I think this shows a good amount. I think this is fine. We're at 50%. We're pretty high. It had its retrace. We're looking at this being the last point. We had another bearish engulfing pattern. Maybe this is ready for the continuation. So, oh crap, are you kidding me? That's insane. All right, EURUSD. I'm looking for the continuation. And where am I looking for price to go? So, with this being the case, you know what's funny? I put as my fiance was sleeping on GJ, I entered in a trade on her account, and I texted her today. I was like, "Yo, look at your account real quick," and she's like, "What the hell?" Oh man! All right, so let's go ahead and this. All right, what the heck happened? Yeah. All right. All right. This thing is going pretty long right now. All right. So where am I looking for price to head to? I'm looking for price to get to. Yo, this is crazy, man. I didn't even realize all those tabs were open at all. See, whenever I turn on this recording device, that's what makes the computer go slow. But when you guys are not on, it's completely fine. So I'm looking for price to get to about 110.7, I'd say. 110.7. Cool. All right. So that's my analysis on here. Nothing too crazy. Once price starts to push up, it'll have a pullback, and this could be another entry that you'll be able to get into. The same thing that we did over here. Same exact thing. We found that price got to 50% over here. Price pushed down, pushed back up. We got in again. This is not really the best time to enter, but price pushed down, pushed up. We got in over here for the second time, and then boom. Now, this move right here, this is the retrace. This may do the same thing. Bearish engulfing pattern, boom. Retrace, another one, boom. And this would be the exit for both. All right, so that's how it moves. Right. If you guys liked anything I just said, if anything, go ahead and check out fxpronow.com. We have a 1-hour webinar that you can be able to check out that will literally give you a short snippet of what our full course entails. And I'm pretty sure it can be able to help you out. All right, let's move on to the next one. I'm just going to close a tab when I leave it. Yeah, let me close these tabs over here. This is insane, man. Oh, I can just put it in Squarespace. If anything, let me just do that. All right, one moment, guys, as this dinosaur over here. And this is not a bad computer. It's just, I just have too much stuff on here. One moment. is AU. AU. Yeah, man. I promise. At some point, withstand all the crap that I do on a daily basis. Yeah. All right. And it's not even like I have a whole bunch of things open. It's literally just the computer, internet browsers. Why does it look like this now? Why does it look like this? All right. One moment, guys. For some reason, the charts look just strange. I'm gonna open it back up. All right. There it goes. Okay. So I'm not going to do a TradingView video or nothing like that because it's just gonna slow even more. All right. So this is what we're looking at when it comes to AU. And when it comes to AU, we have point A, point B. We need to get to 38.2. Price did not get to 38.2 as of yet. So it's either price will go ahead and push down a bit, but don't get faked out by that because it still has to get to this 38.2, 50%, 61.8, anywhere in between here. It has to push up. So it's just slow right now. I would suggest not to do anything with this at all. Period. That's all I'm going to say for AU. EJ. So who got into that UJ and GJ trade from yesterday? Insane moves. Insane moves. So we had, and this is what I teach in the actual course, where I'll let you guys know, hey, price on UJ and GJ is notorious to do this, but UJ definitely is notorious for doing this. It'll get to 50%. It'll get to 38.2. It'll get to 50%. It'll get to these things, these areas, and it'll push, and then from there still get to 61.8 or lower. Most times 61.8, and then finally go. So we'll think that it breaks structure, but it literally doesn't. It just wants to go for a deeper retrace, which, to tell you the truth, for me is annoying as hell. I'm happy that you guys called GJ, because I know for sure you guys are in crazy profit right now. So yesterday, when I mentioned that price should not pass this area, that's literally what it is. Price should have not passed this area right here. Price got 61.8. I'm looking for the continuation truly now. We have a nice bullish engulfing pattern right here, and right at the 61.8. This looks pretty safe to me, and I would definitely go ahead and feel confident for the continuation of this move, no matter what happens from there. Let's see. I'm actually going to record this one, being because my computer sounds like it calmed down a bit. Yeah. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is a USDJPY. When it comes to USDJPY, we see the fact that yesterday we called that we would get into our buy right at this point right here. Price decided to continue and get to 61.8, which is completely fine. But I did not want price to go lower than this, because I thought the fact that it would just continue at this point. It's throwing out some wicks. We saw, the fact that it's at 38.2, but I should have recalled my understanding of UJ, the fact that price does not usually stop at 38.2, and if it does, and it looks like it's going to push, there's sometimes that it doesn't. So personally, me, I should have gotten at a lower lot size at 38.2 at a 1% risk management instead of a 2 or higher percent risk management, so I didn't have to deal with anything. We see that price is at 61.8. Beautiful. This is exactly where I feel the most comfortable entering my trades, right at the 61.8 area, and it's literally like flush, just about at 61.8. When we dial down to the lower time frame, 38 point, on the M30, we see many different bullish engulfing candles. We have one here, not really many, but this is the main one right here. This is the deal breaker right here. That's one that you're entering on over there. I'm looking for price to not pass 11.2 flat. If price passes 11.2, then I'll be kind of annoyed. Definitely, I will be annoyed. But I feel confident based upon this trade right here, and we should see price get to the same valuation that we've been picking up on for a while now, which is the 113 flat. Not based on this move right here, but based upon the full move on the daily time frame, which is right here, point A, point B, point C, and then point D being negative 27% right here, 113.3, but I'm just going to go to 113 flat, which I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other people are going to do the same thing. So boom, boom, and for the continuation here. So that's, I'm just looking for price to get to 113. So that's what I'm looking to do. And with that being the case, if you have any questions, or if you like anything that I said just now, if anything, we have a 1-hour Forex training link you will get access to completely for free on fxpronow.com. On fxpronow.com, what we do is we teach people how to trade that have been in the markets for a little bit. It's mostly geared for now for people that have been in the markets for a bit, intermediate to advanced. And we're looking to be able to build something strong in the future, bringing real traders together so we can be able to invest long term for residual gains in a big way. So that's why we're teaching, so we can be able to all be on the same wavelength. So if you like anything that we said, fxpronow.com, we actually have If you scroll all the way to the bottom, there's a section where you would ask me whatever questions that you would like as well. All right, really appreciate your time. Peace. All right, TradingView. All right, what's going on? Okay. $145.4. Freaking insane, bro. Insane. Insane, man. Look at that. Look at that. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Excuse me. Welcome to fxbrownow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is GBPJPY. When it comes to GBPJPY, we see the fact that yesterday we called this and it did beautifully, insanely beautifully. Went to 144.1 as our key level and then popped. Crazy. So price held this area right here, and then poof. How many pips? 130. Beautiful. So I want to know who caught this. Who caught this? How much money did you make? Let me know something, because we called this beautifully, and it's about to get to the first take profit that we mentioned in about 10 pips. So I think this is beautiful, honestly beautiful. So I hope that you guys caught this, because we called this. But caught 90 pips, got out, no problem. 90 pips is sufficient. 90 pips is sufficient. Let's see. Being the fact that UJ is just about to start moving now is pretty interesting. 144.0. Wow. Beautiful. All the way at the bottom. I know you're seeing some good profits. Well done. Who else caught this? I think my girl has a very great entry. Let me see what she entered. She sent me the text earlier. Let me see what she entered. Yo, I thought this thing was done. Oh, it's not really the best entry. 144.46. So she's up close to 95 pips right now, which is not bad. Good. All right, so from here, to tell you the truth, I don't know where it's going. I do not know where it's going, because to tell you the truth, price could literally just stop at any point in time. But what's interesting is the fact that UJ is just now starting to push up. And with that being the case, you know, I would just take, I may take that just into account to hold this position a little longer. Just a little longer. Let's look at the daily time frame to see how this is moving. It's okay. It's a welcome. See, look, man, this looks like it's holding support. It looks like it's still an uptrend. Check it out. Like, this is still support, still support, still support. Because I don't know if this is considered as a move. It could be considered as a move, and this is the actual break of this area right here. That could be the break of this area right here. This is the retrace, and I see it slowing up somewhere, and then I am all in for this downtrend that's about to continue. All in. And I'm looking for this to really have something major. Something major. So I'm just going to get into this buy. Hopefully hold it all the way to 149. That would be insane if we were able to hold this to 149. About 100 pips, Michael. Well done. I pulled out 70%, holding to 144.2. Well done. Entered it at 144.1. Caught 80 pips off the GJ move. I told you guys, hey, whoever catches this move, you gotta get started on my course. You gotta get started. I just paid you, man. But as you can see, this stuff works, man. It works. It freaking works. It works. It works. It works. So, again, I don't know where price is going from here at all. I do not know where price is going. Because literally right now it could stop. The reason why I say I don't know is because it's on a consolidation. It's on a level of consolidation for the weekly and the daily time frame. This does not give me information on if it's going to create a lower high, just a high or a high high. There's no information that this could be able to tell me. There's no information that the daily could be able to tell me. There's none. This can hold right here as a level of resistance, but who says it's going to get to that level of resistance? There's no information. Absolutely no information. And that's what's kind of like, There's a daily, there's a H4 key level right here. So that's why I'm saying it could stop here. But the only reason why it's like, I don't know if it's going to stop there is mostly because UJ just started its push to the upside, which hopefully it pulls GJ to continue as well, because I like GJ's push. It gives me a lot of pips. I love GJ. I think GJ is a very nice pair. It's very giving. Oh, we have a good amount of people on here right now. Welcome. If anything, put in your name, where you're calling in from. Really appreciate your time for actually logging in on This Week in the Market. So when it comes to GJ, point A, point B, point C, we called it down here. We also called it all the way down here. Some of us are up 130 pips. Some of us are up 90 pips. Beautiful. I'm happy to hear that, guys. But let me tell you something. The next push on GJ, and I would highly suggest that you guys follow us, especially next week and the week after that, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Always on This Week in the Markets on our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and click on the bell, because the continuation to the downwards push is going to be larger than you've ever had. If it does this again, and I'm not sure, but I'm kind of sure that it's going to do something like this again. Now, of course, there's in-betweens, right? So it'll be kind of hard to be able to catch this whole thing, but I'm talking about over 1,000 pips this next move after all this consolidation crap is done. So who's excited for this next push to the downside? Because I sure am. How you doing, Miriam? Nice to meet you. So I'm very excited for this next push to the downside, and that's what we're going to be looking for. All right. So if you liked anything that I was just saying, if anything, we have a website. It's called fxpronow.com, and on fxpronow.com, we actually have a 1-hour free Forex training that you can be able to get access to. And what it is just it's a smaller portion of my full course that I actually provide online. It's more than 10 hours of actual content that you can really get access to. So again, go to fxpronow.com. There's a free 1-hour Forex training that you can really get access to. Click on the button that says you want to be able to actually get started with it, so that you can be able to register. Once you register, you're also going to receive a welcome email welcoming you to the free community. And on there, you're going to get access to our group chat, our Facebook page, and also our YouTube channel credentials so that you can be able to stay in contact with us. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live. We call it This Week in the Markets. And if you have any other questions, you can go into fxpronet.com and you can scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a section that you can be able to contact me directly. All right. So if you want to be able to learn a little bit more, like I said, we have a course that you can really get access to as well. All right. Greatly appreciate your time, and speak to you soon. Peace. All right. So, if anything, we can run gold. Who wants to run gold? Run gold. All right. Let's run gold real quick. I doubt it's going to do there's going to be anything different on it. Gold is a grandma to me. What can I say except you're welcome? All right. You know I'm a dad if I'm singing Moana. Is that how you call it? Is that what it's called? Wow. Oh, no. This is US 30. This is not what I wanted. See, my US 30 chart's a little different. There's a little extra stuff because it's very, very interesting, this thing here. Okay, cool. Did exactly what we said. Beautiful. So who remembers when I said, hey, we're looking for price to get to this region right here? Man, this is really pushing hard, huh? So, boom. What do we call it from? We did point A, point B, point C, got to 78.6, boom, boom, and then a continuation. I'm looking for gold to continue to the downside, and this looks like a beautiful continuation right now. And the continuation, I don't even know if I want to even get into this because it's like, I don't know, this is just annoying thing. But yeah, I'm looking for this to continue, and it looks pretty good. Whatever, bro. I'll get in on the small lot size. All right, so yeah, point A, point B, point C. We call this like this was like an easy call. It's like gold is easy, it just moves too slow for me. Point A, point B, point C. We see the fact that it's at our daily key level. And if you don't know about daily key levels, we teach a little about key levels in that webinar that I was just talking about on fxpronet.com. Kind of in confluence with this 50%. I would not be surprised if my key level is just off a bit, and it's probably supposed to be at this 1290 area. But it's closer to price right now. Anyways, you know what? It's probably, this is not good. Boom. Literally lined up with 50%. Lined up. Man, if you don't know how to do here, straight up, you know, let me go ahead and do this one. So you can be able to see my face at the same time. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is gold, and with gold, we call this beautifully point A, point B, point C, 50% in correlation with our key level right here. What I was just about to say is the fact that if you don't know how to use key levels, if you don't know how to place key levels, if you don't even know what key levels are, if you don't know, why they're important, I promise you're missing a key thing when it comes to your trading. And there's one. And I know for sure it can be able to truly help you out. All right. So you got to learn about these key levels. These these are what the professionals are actually using on a day-to-day basis, and I'm almost sure that my key levels are in alignment with a lot of the professionals that are out there, mostly because we're using the same type of strategies to be able to mark out these key levels. If you want to learn about key levels, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to, where I teach you how to be able to do monthly and weekly key levels. Those are the most important key levels that you can be able to get access to. And then later on in our actual 10-hour course, you can be able to get access to how to be able to do daily and H4 key levels as well. All right, as you can see, our Fibonacci retracement tool lines up with this like beautifully, beautifully, based upon point A, point B, point C, and then continuation. If you don't know how to draw fibs, teach that as well. Anyways, where is this going? That's the most important thing. So at the least, I'm looking for price to get to our weekly key level, right, which is 1263, but I would not be surprised price probably go to 1258 to 1246. All right, and if anything, we have a larger picture of this as well. So Michael, excuse me, Michael, most times you're asking about gold. So is this what you came up with? Did you have the same analysis? Did you get in? So where is this going? So long term, looking for price to get to 1231. Long term, and I think the reason why gold is pushing down is because US 30 is still going. US 30 is still going, which is remarkable. The fact that the United States of America and probably even the world is still pushing this freaking these 30 companies up still. This is insane. This is crazy. With that being the case, people are selling off their gold or the value of it. I don't know about the physical, but I'm looking for price to get back to 1231. Long term, it's going to take a long time, but for now, we could be able to see price get to let's see the H4. Oh my gosh. It's just one thing that I hate more than anything, and excuse me for using that word, but are slow things. I do not like slow things. Anyways, 1246 to 1231 is the range, but I'm really looking for 1263, 1264 as my next one. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm pretty solid about that one. Thought we'd go to 1292, even higher. Why? Why do you say 1292? 61.8. Is that why? Because if it went to 1292, one, it would pass this key level, and you could see the fact that it stopped at the key level. That's one. And then at the same time, it would have to pass the last low over here. And, you know, that was the level of support, turned to resistance. So, you know, it kind of just makes sense. It found this key level as a level of support. Now I found that the key level as a level of resistance for the continuation. Lines over 50%. I see confluence there, you know what I mean? So if you like anything I just said, and you would like to learn more, if anything, go to fxpartner.com. We actually have a 1-hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to, completely for free. On there, I break down the vision of what we're looking to do as a community. But also, I give you my 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. And with that being the case, I'm pretty sure it's going to give you a lot of value. So if you have any questions, you can also go to fxburnout.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can be able to contact me directly. After you actually sign up for our training, you're going to receive an email from me welcoming you to our free community. And on there, you're going to be able to get access to our group chat, Facebook, and our YouTube channel, where every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be able to help you out. All right. Really appreciate your time, and speak to you guys soon. Peace. Yeah, this thing was going crazy slow too. All right. All done. All right. So, any question? Where was your point A? Point A was at the top of the last lower high based upon the daily time frame. You should see it clearly. All right. So, let me take this off. All right. So, any questions? Any questions? Any questions? All right. Cool. Cool. Here, let me go ahead and. Oh no! I just clicked another. Thing. Can you guys see my face? All right. So hopefully you can really hear me. But really appreciate your time, guys. If you have any questions, if anything, you can leave it in the comment section right now, or you can be able to contact me on fxpronow.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a little section there you can be able to contact me, and we'll go from there. I think we had a great session yesterday and today. You guys should have made a bunch of money, even if you made 2% risk management, because you know, our stop loss, there wasn't even a stop loss, but you should have been good. You should have been good. So if you have any questions, hit me up. If not, see you guys tomorrow on This Week in the Markets. Let's get it.